Welcome back to Epsiode Garage. We're ready to work on this S2000 today. Right, girl? She's focused. Got to pick up some milk from Vaughn's real quick.
Milky milk.
Let's go. We're gonna walk. It's just right there.
What's that?
What were we here for? Oh yeah, milk.
Milk and my
Forgot. Oh, there it is. Milk. Milk. All right here. Lucerne. That's what Starbucks uses. What's up, bro? Say what's up to Epsiode Garage, man. Don't be shy.
milky milk.
That was Ken. He was a little shy. He used to help me recycle some bottles when I used to come here for recycling.
Milky milk.
Jim is back with his S2K. All right, right there is good. Last time he was here, we did the radiator, but we didn't have the lower hose, so here we are. All right, so I'll throw some fans on here, then we'll chill for a second, and then I'll have at it. This is what I'm talking about right here. Y'all know what this is.
True OG.
Yep. If you were born in the 70s, 80s, you know about the members only jacket. Come on now. Man. Yep, had to suit up for the occasion real quick. I'm gonna speed up the process here. Turn the fan on, turn the AC on. Just wanted to get the engine temp to go down. All right, so he asked if I could go ahead and do an oil change as well. We're adding that to the job. I'm gonna go ahead and drain the oil, give the engine a chance to cool down some more. I was talking to him about this. He has an aftermarket drain plug. Usually that means there's an oversized plug in there. That means the previous owner or whoever might have messed up the threads on the aluminum pan. But he's been doing his oil changes. He says he hasn't run into any issues yet. Well, that's good. So go ahead and drain the oil. Well, good news is it's not a special, I mean, I could still use a 17 because it takes a 17. So we are good there. Once you break this loose, you should be able to do it by hand. Okay, maybe it's not an oversized drain plug after all. It just looked weird. This is definitely not factory though. Now the oil filter right there. All right, it's all good. Just had to get down in there, crushing the filter. Just got to sprinkle the homie. I'm pretty sure you might have tightened this with the tool. You don't need to tighten it with the tool. Hand tight is good enough. Make sure it's good. There is a torque spec to this, but I've never torqued them. I've never had an issue. You just have to make sure you don't double gasket if it's an aftermarket oil filter. Okay, we're right where we want to be with the engine coolant temperature. You don't ever want to drain coolant when the car is hot. You could hurt yourself. Also important, you don't want to do damage to the engine because that coolant is still cooling the car down. Not directly or anything, but you just don't want to drain the coolant while the car is still hot. Kind of common sense, but not really. All right, oil change is pretty much done. So now what the car really came back for, got to do this lower radiator hose that we didn't get to do last time because Honda didn't have it in stock. So now the car's cooled down. We're just gonna have to drain the coolant. There's a fast way to do this, but I don't want to make a mess, so I'm gonna go ahead and still just drain it from the radiator. Okay, it's right there. Need to get to that hose clamp. I have no interest in taking this off. Hopefully there's enough space up there. It looks like, since he has an aftermarket intake. Drainage, got that drainage. Oh man, this makes me want to go to the bathroom. Still going, still going, still going, still going. Still going. Still go. Ooh. Carbon fiber. I have some carbon fiber right here. Gotta love the carbon fiber. Still going. All right. Looks like we do have room to get to that hose clamp right there. Yep, in this case, aftermarket product helps us out. Gotta love it. All right here, I'm using a 90-degree needle nose pliers. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. You need to get that. Hose clamp down there. All right, I love it when the plan comes together. Damn, still? Bloom, 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 bloom. Still Dre Day. Ah, still Dre Day. Ah, ah. My bad, that was still Dre Day. Anyway, gotta get to the lower radiator hose clamp towards the thermostat housing side. Definitely not gonna get it up over here. We know that. So we're gonna have to go underneath. Okay, let's take a look and see the situation. Jersey Shore. Okay, there it is. All right, frick. But how am I gonna get to that clamp? I mean, I need to get the pliers up in there. Oh, man. I might not be able to get a needle nose plier in there. So it's probably gonna be a regular plier. One of those little pliers, yeah. All right, little bit of a struggle. I'm not even gonna front. So the air pump hose emission device is in the way. AC lines is in the way. I finally got some vice grips on there. I'm gonna try to rotate it over this way so from the bottom I could kind of pull down and hopefully rotate it. That's the game plan anyway. Sure glad I don't have big hands. I feel sorry for Shaq if he ever decided to work on a S2000. Bottom view again. See if I could get my hands up in this way and try to rotate it. Just making up shit as I go right now. Fuck, how did I do this on that one S2000? Man, why don't I? We did have a video on this. I should go back and watch that video. Come on, rotate, baby. Rotate. Rotate. You know what? I could just try to pry the hose off a little bit. And then the vice grip's gonna get in the way. Let's see. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Rotate. Just rotate. No, don't come off. You're coming off. Don't come off. Come on, jabroni. All right. That was a bit of a fight. I was able to somehow, some way get that clamp out. Don't ask me how I did it, but I did it. I'm telling you what I'm not gonna do is put it back the way they had it. Oh man. Shaq, if you ever see this video, which you probably won't, don't work on the S2000. You're gonna have Muggsy Bogues do it. All right, I was just telling Jim, you know, since I was struggling, change it up a bit, put this tire here, stand on it, I don't know, making stuff up. And guess what? I magically was able to take that hose clamp off. So the moral of the story here, just like in life, if you want change, you don't do the same shit over and over again. Now here we are underneath the car. I yanked this hose off, pry this hose off anyway. Try to. I'm probably gonna end up taking a shower with coolant. All right, with that said, I'll try to wiggle it just a little bit from up there. All right, don't want to make the same mistake I did with the other S2000. Got excited taking the hose off and forgot there was no drain pan under there. Drip, drip, drip. Ha! Knew it. There's a little hook down there. I was like, this should just come off now. What's going on? Oh, shit. Like hooked itself back on. This little hook right there. No way. All right, change of plans. I'm not taking that hook off. Fuck that. I already know what's gonna happen. I take that off. It's gonna be hard to put that shit back on. So I'm gonna work around it somehow. Let's see. Go out this way. voila, it's out. Now let's hope we have the right hose. All right, just doing a comparison, making sure it's the right hose. It looks pretty even, Steven, looks about the same. Should be the same. All right, it's gonna transfer over the clamps, and then this time, this clamp is gonna be positioned at the bottom right here, so it'll be easier to put in. So reverse of what we did, just slap that thing on, call it a day.
Easier said than done, right?
Easy peasy. It's always easier on YouTube. All right, gonna transfer this over. Put it right here, right there. And I'm gonna put this hose clamp towards down this way. So that way I could slap it on from the bottom like so. Got the hose clamp how I want it. I just gotta fish this through. Went under here like so. Went like that. Gotta fish it through here. Let's try to go this way. This way first. Oh shit, there's another clip right there. No wonder I was struggling earlier. Didn't see that. Alright. Tuck this in this way. Some wire harness in the way. Let's see. Alright, it's a fight. We in? Look like it. Gotta put it on the thermostat housing flange now. Alright, let's take a look at down there. Alright, let's see it. Awkward position to be in. Alright. Damn it. Spin this a little bit this way. Right. Like a dungeon dragon. Fuck. No room. No room to spread the legs. Ain't that some shit? Oh, come on. There we go. Oh shit, that shit almost fucking hit me in the face. Ooh, almost, baby. Almost, baby. Yeah. Almost. Oh, get in there, boy. Get in there. Oh, fuck. Come on. Come on. Fucker. You fucker. Excuse me. Excuse my language. But damn. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Look at that. Right there. Right there. Woo! Woo! That was it, baby. That was it. Baby. Come on, spread them legs. Come on. Spread them. Damn it. Move this shit over. Come on. Alright. Making it harder than it is. Booyah. Good to go. She done put that hose clamp a little bit lower. Alright, there we go. Just like that. Good to go. Beautiful. All right, life happened once again. Got some other stuff going on. So now that the hose is on, tonight we fill it up with coolant, start the car, let it run, and we good. Oh shoot, look who swung by. What's up, Will? What you got in that Tesla?
The Hemi one.
You got VTEC in there?
It's a custom Hemi.
VTEC?
VTEC turbo supercharged.
Variable timing electric car. VTEC. Rev it, rev it. Oh shoot, don't have a seizure.
Hey, you want to see under my hood, bro? There you go. You can check this shit out.
Insane mode.
Ooh, what you know about that?
Oh shit. Damn.
That's all the power right there.
That's it. Woo. Pilot Will right there.
It farts.
Oh, do the fart sound. Go, go, go.
Oh, let me put it. Hold on.
Oh shit, sorry dude. Breakfast. Oh
Dirty.
god. Woo. I feel better now. See, I just had to fart it out.
And then when you have two guys in the car, you just push this. Look at. Oh yeah. This side. Look at. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
That's how you get romance. when it's just you and your homie, that's what you do. You get romance. That's it. That's really all it.